Yeah, I don't see really anything catching my attention. I guess since they have been closed the past 2 weeks, they haven't really been able to go pick up any cars anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna bid on this semi and maybe a few other cars while I'm here. Then I'm gonna go pick up the Saturn and go sell some cars and make some money. So let's get it. Y'all see where we at? We're here at the auction once again. They haven't had a sale in 2 weeks, so that can be a good thing and a bad thing when coming to, because last Friday was New Year's and the Friday before that was Christmas. So the semi is still here, so they haven't sold it. So, but it could be a good thing and a bad thing. It could be a good thing that it hasn't sold in 2 weeks, so the seller's ready to sell it, or it's a bad thing that people ain't been here in 2 weeks and they haven't seen it. So this is a lot of times people's first time seeing it. So they might run the price up on it. So it's the good and the bad thing. But let's walk around here. Cause I'll probably just walk around here and let you guys. Now I'll bid on this semi once again, see if they sell it to me this week. But we'll just walk around and then I'll go pick up the Saturn so y'all see how it turned out from the body shop. So we'll try to include 2 in 1 on this. Yeah, so we got semi, box man. Don't got that many cars for being missing for 2 weeks. But this is like I said, it is a dealer and a public auction. So if you're a public and you're here in the state of Oklahoma and you want to come buy some cars and start flipping some cars, all you have to do is pay $300 and they hold it. And once you buy a car, that $300 goes to whatever car you bought. And if you don't buy anything, they give you $300 back. That Jaguar is at Wednesday's auction. See, that's a good thing too. It's cold. You always got to be aware of what cars was at the previous auction. So somebody bought it and they're trying to run it back through here. Okay, look there, another Dodge little truck right there. Maybe we'll see. Special out here today, so we'll make it a 2. We'll just walk around here. Got a little decent. Don't really see anything catching my attention today. So once again, y'all see it. We bid it on it one more time. So hopefully, they sell it to me and quit playing around. Man, y'all see me? It's a lot. Look at that, dirty in the inside. Look, they got a little bed in there, a little sleeper. Hopefully they sell it to me, man. Quit playing with me and sell it to me. This week, let me show y'all what I bid on it this week. Then we're gonna go pick up that Saturn. So this week we gave them, y'all know what we gave them this week. 7,300 is what we gave them. Y'all see it? We gave them 7,300 this week. Let me watch my step. I ain't trying to fall or nothing like that, So we're gonna play this game of chicken that this person is trying to play. This week I gave him more money for it this week than I gave it for last week. Like I said at the beginning of the video, it was the good and the bad thing. It was a good thing that it's still here, but it was a bad thing, because a lot of people might not have seen it. So this week I gave him 7,300. We're gonna keep playing this game of the cat and the mouse, or playing chicken, however y'all want to say it. We're gonna keep playing this game because he's going to give like, and then plus it's a bank repo, so it's like they say it's a bank repo. If it's a bank repo, they would have been took whatever, because on most of the time when companies repo cars, you know, they'll sell them at the auction, and the difference they'll just bill the customer or add it as a collection to the customer. So, you know, we trying to see. So, we trying to see. Y'all see, we back. Time to go pick up this Saturn. See how it turned out. I just paid him just to straighten everything out. You know, him painting it and everything, it was gonna be way too much money that I wanted to give. So he was like, he could straighten it all for like $100. And I was like, okay, do that. When I said do that, you know, we'll work. We'll do the rest of it. So we're gonna see how it turned out. Let me go pay this man first. $100 to get it straightened out. Let's go. How'd it turn out? Turn out good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did turn out pretty good. It ain't that bad. I go to the salvage yard and go get a new fender, and it's to go get a hood at the salvage yard because I seen one the same color.
Maybe they have it?
Yeah, they got it at the salvage yard. So it's actually, maybe I can go to the salvage yard. Yeah, fire it right out. Go get the hood. I'll get that grill insert. Get that grill insert. Good car.
Yeah.
Paid $200 for it. What you think?
Huh?
Yeah, paid $200. What you think? Good deal. Yeah, sell it for $2,000 after I fix it, clean it up.
What do you buy this? The Reno?
No, over here. Yeah. Yep. $200 and it runs.
No.
Well, crazy, ain't it?
Yeah.
So now y'all see it's $200 for the car. Then you got $100 to straighten it. Then I can go put another $100 into it. You know what? We'll probably, cause like I said, I've seen the same color at the salvage yard the last 2 times I done went, and then they have like 4 of them out there the same color, so I can go get those grilled, like the little plastic little inserts. I can go get a new hood, fender, cause you know the frame was bent and stuff like that, but he straightened it all out and straightened it up. So I could leave the hood like that and just go get a matching fender and the grill inserts and just probably sell it for $1,500, $1,600 like that, or I can go get the same hood and stuff like that, and then I can sell it for $2,000, you know. So that's what I'll probably do, you know. So it'll be $200 invested in the car, another $100 to the body, man, then another $100 again in parts. But now you got $400 into a car, and you sell it for $2,000. You make $1,600 profit. Hey, you can't beat that. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like I said, I just wanted to walk around the auction. Just show you that I'm keep bidding on the semi. Y'all just keep praying for me. Hopefully I can get it. You know, y'all keep praying for me, you know, because like I said, we're gonna keep playing the game. I'm gonna keep back and forth until he sell it, until the seller sell it. So like, y'all just keep praying for me, you know, looking out for me and wishing me the best. That's all I say. But yeah, just like that, this video is over with. You know, I appreciate you guys, all your support and everything you do for me. So if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel, join the membership if you're interested. You know, we got a lot of stuff planned for the membership, you know. And also, I don't know, but I don't know yet. But like I said, I'm out. Peace. See y'all guys. Peace.